What is up, you guys, and welcome to cleaning my studio vlog. Yep, that's what we are going to call it. This desperately needs to be done. I'm just examining. I'm going to show you guys. I'm so embarrassed. Am I embarrassed? I think I've also been procrastinating against doing it because I don't have a reason. But we are going to be doing a advent calendar unboxing. I have several already and then several to come. So I need to make room to be able to do that. Now, I'm gonna show you guys. I am not proud of myself, but we have FabFitFun boxes. This is all full of Ipsies, I believe. Whoa, my camera. Whoa, you can't do that. Okay, and then we have Ulta, which is actually the advent calendar, some more FabFitFun boxes. There's another advent calendar. And then, why is it doing that? My tripod's being a little whack. And all my lovely makeup and boxy charms that have still sat there since my last boxy charm unboxing. So, I'm really like, I don't even know how it got this bad. It just kind of happened. For those of who are new here, my name is Jessie and I upload at least once a week, whether it's a makeup or a lifestyle vlog video like this one. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if that's something that you're into, as well as that little notification bell so you never miss one of my uploads. And if you're enjoying this video so far, or at any point in time during the video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out tremendously. Now, where do we begin? Where can I put you guys to get the boxes out? Oh man. I never started a load of laundry either. Oh no. My newest Ipsies that have not made it to the box of Ipsies. I'm not quite sure what to do with them all. If you guys would like to just see me open some random Ipsies, let me know down below. So this section of the video is brought to you by Dossier. If you don't know anything about Dossier, they are a company that produces iconic scents for very, very low cost to you. So they'll recreate famous designs like designer quality perfumes or fragrances for a more affordable, what up Belly? For a more affordable price for you. Now, they are introducing something new, and it's called, actually, I don't know if it's like new, but like to them. They're introducing their new concept. It's called layering. What is layering, you may ask? It is two fragrances that effortlessly combine. One fragrance enhances an already existing facet of the other, or brings in an additional tone without altering its original personality. You can also mix and match two fragrances which have something in common and complement each other, harmlessly creating a third scent when mixed together. With Dossier's new layering, you can also be daring and unexpected. Alternatives for serendipity, daring, bombshell, shock, head-turning, unexpected. These are daring and sometimes unexpected combinations, but surprisingly they work. They can also include a combination of male and female fragrances. For my two Dossier perfumes that I chose to layer, I chose Ambery Saffron and Oriental Cherry, combining these two scents for a daring and unexpected blend. Surprisingly, they work. Oriental Cherry offers an incredible tantalizing cherry almond burst, which perfectly merges with Ambery Saffron's dense and warm woody ambery structure. The scent I just dropped that on the ground. And their glass. Did not break. durable, sturdy, thick glass. So that's definitely a plus. Yes, different day. I got overwhelmed. Anyway, if you guys would like to try out Dossier perfumes for yourself, you can save some money by using this code JessieMay. It is not an affiliate code, it's just like a tracking code to see how many people will check out their perfumes. And if you do check out their perfumes, let me know down in the comments below, how do you like them? Because they're getting high up there on my list of favorite brands for perfumes, if that makes any sense. The scent lasts all day. I don't have to reapply it. Constantly getting compliments of how just amazing I smell. And also, I really, really love this about Dossier. If you don't like your scents that you chose, guess what, honey? You get to return them, no cost to you, or, well, you get like you get a full refund, or you can exchange it for a different one. They did get rid of their samples, like the little itty bitty bottles, so you can't just like order a little sample and test it out to see if you like it that way. They did that to help reduce the plastic waste. Now, since you do have the ability to return the perfumes and get a refund or new ones, what they do with those returned perfumes is they actually donate them to a women's to a women's charitable center. And that way it's a win-win for everybody. It's not a waste to you or them, because since they do donate it, I mean, somebody is going to fall in love with one of those scents that you did not like. So thank you so much to Dossier for continuing to partner with me in this little section of the video. But most importantly, thank you to everyone watching here, because without you, I would not be here. So thank you to Dossier and all of you. If you guys would like to try out the Dossier perfumes, you can save some money by using my code JessieMay. Okay, so right now in the month of November, Dossier is actually offering their Black Friday sale. So you can get 3 perfumes from $69, 4 from $89, 5 from $109, and save, you know, a decent amount % off. And then if you add my code JessieMay, you get an additional 10% off of your order. Oh, look at that. Let's pay it forward. Not an affiliate code, just like a tracking code. However, if you guys do try out their perfume, let me know down in the comments below, because I absolutely adore them. I think it's phenomenal that their fragrances are long-lasting. They're designer scents for a more affordable price, and like I said before, if you don't like that scent, you can return it. There's no waste, no loss to you, no loss to them. It's just a fantastic company. So thank you again to Dossier for partnering with me, and I hope you guys are enjoying this little clean with me studio vlog. Give the video a thumbs up if you are. So now I think, can you not make so much noise there, Belly? I appreciate you. I'm not sure even who it's inspired by, because I have a lot of perfume, but I don't know much about perfume. But Mason Francis Kirk Dijon Baccarat Rochefort or 540 perfume. The top notes are saffron, orange, blossom. Middle notes are jasmine, plum, cedarwood. And the base notes are oak mist, fir, balsam, and amber. And then cherry one is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. And then the top notes in this one are cherry, almond, cinnamon. Middle notes are cloves, rose, jasmine, and plum. And then the base notes are Peru balsam, tonka bean, and vanilla. And then I also did purchase the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser. I got this on like a little sample from, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Got a little sample. Absolutely fell in love with it, so I purchased it. Just for FYI, anybody. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's gonna be a spoiler. One of the advent calendars. But anyway, so I purchased a order at e.l.f. and I got 3 free gifts, thinking, you know, like they'd be little samples. No, I got a full-size metallic flare highlighter, a full-size day to night lipstick duo. I bought the acne fighting primer, and then a precision eyeliner brush. So that's pretty fantastic. I like e.l.f. Although I did place 2 orders with e.l.f. and I only got 1, but they were placed on the same day, so now I'm really confused. So actually, I need to open the actual FabFitFun boxes too. Found my FabFitFun fall box. So that's like the most recent one. I think that was probably the last one that I opened on my channel was last year's fall box. Maybe it was the summer box. I don't know. I'll have that link in the eye and down below if anybody wants to see it because I actually got like 2. Yeah. So, anywho. I know it seems like I got like a madness going on, but I have to organize like the boxes. I don't... Oh, look, here's another advent calendar. Yeah. Yeah, that's the actual one that I wanted.